Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can verify world-first PayPal payments. So let's get started. If you're using world-first to receive payments from PayPal, verification is important to make sure your transactions go through smoothly and without delays. The process mainly involves linking your accounts correctly and confirming small test transactions. First, log into your PayPal account and go to the Wallet section. Here you need to link your world-first receiving account. Click on Link a Bank Account and enter the bank details provided by world-first, including the account number and routing details. Make sure all the information is entered correctly. Once your bank is linked, PayPal will send 2 small deposits to your world-first account. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days. These are test amounts used for verification. Now log into your world-first account and check your transaction history. Look for the 2 small deposits sent by PayPal and note their exact amounts. After that, go back to your PayPal account and enter those 2 amounts in the verification section. Once you submit the correct values, your world-first account will be successfully verified with PayPal. Now your account is ready to receive payments. When someone sends you money on PayPal, you can withdraw it to your world-first account without issues. Also keep in mind that your name on both accounts should match, and your account must be fully verified on both platforms to avoid any restrictions or delays. And that's it. That's how you can verify world-first PayPal payments quickly and safely. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.